Hi guys, you are watching Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Today let us know about upcoming Hisense TVs. Hisense is a new brand that is entering to India on 6th August. The sales will be live on Amazon, Flipkart, Tata Click, Reliance Digital official stores. Hisense is also planning to launch its refrigerators, air conditioners and so on. It has sponsored to many programs from 2008 to 2020. Hisense is the only TV to come with a 5 years warranty. Now let us know about the picture quality of the TV in detail. Hisense is going to launch normal TVs and also QLED TVs which work on quantum dot colors. It comes with 100% color volume, so it gets more colors as compared to other TVs. Even the OnePlus TV gets 94% color volume. The display of the TV also comes with full array local dimming feature which ensures to produce perfect blacks and stunning details in colors. This feature also helps in achieving perfect blacks and excellent details. This TV also comes with Dolby Vision support. It ensures brighter colors than before. The display also comes with ultra dimming which ensures detailed blacks and stunning whites. It gets precision colors of 100% color volume, so the colors will be brighter than before. It also gets an ultra vivid panel with higher contrast than other TVs. This TV's brightness level is around 450 nits. It is not sufficient to produce a beautiful HDR content. This QLED TV comes with an 8-bit color panel of 60Hz refresh rate. This TV also comes with ultra smooth gradation, MEMC technology and so on. Now let us know about the sound quality of the TV in detail. It comes with a 30 watts amazing Dolby Atmos sound. It also supports DTX virtual sound. They both together produce amazing surrounded sound effect. This TV also comes with an inbuilt equalizer in it. This TV also comes with an inbuilt bass booster mode which ensures hard thumping bass like home theater. It is expected that the QLED TV will get 30 watts of Dolby Atmos audio and the normal backlit TV will get 20 watts of Dolby Atmos audio. This is a fully smart Android TV. It comes with Android 9 Pie version out of the box and it also comes with a VIDA version 4 Smart OS processor. It has the support of Prime Video, Netflix and many other apps. It has Chromecast built in too. This TV will also come with inbuilt Bluetooth through which we can connect our TV to external audio devices. Hisense confirmed that we can also control our smart home appliances using this TV. The design of the TV is superb. It comes with mesmerizing bezel-less display. The whole body of the TV is made up of plastic. This TV will be slim as compared to other TVs in this segment. When we take a look at the ports, it gets 4 HDMI 2 version ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 RF port, composite AV, SPDIF and an Ethernet port. Hisense will launch its TVs in DLED and QLED panels which will be available from 43 inches to 75 inches. I took all these informations from Hisense official website. All these features are expected only. The first TV to launch in India is of 50 inches and of direct LED panel. It will be priced around 50,000 rupees and gives direct competition to OnePlus U1 TV. If you want to watch the video in Telugu, you can watch it on Nagarjuna's Tech channel. Hisense is also planning to launch its QLED TVs in India as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel.